morning, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, I'm Rhea. I'm just getting ready for my work day and I thought I would do a little day in my life. It's 7:40 a.m. right now. I did go to a 5:30 workout class this morning. I did not film it because I was half asleep, but I don't start work till 11 today. This is hurting my arms after that morning workout. I'm sore. Made myself a coffee. I put creatine and collagen in it, and then just milk and a little bit of the syrup from Starbucks, like actually the one that they use, that sugar-free caramel. It's not a Chobani, but it will do. And then I'm having my little breakfast wrap, breakfast burrito that I meal prepped yesterday. Put pants on to go for a walk, but my tights are still underneath. Look how cute this thing is. It was my birthday gift at Sephora. Goodbye, gorgeous. Have a good day. Alright, I only have 3 clients today because one of my clients is sick, so I have a little bit of a gap in the middle of the day, I think at like 2:30. So probably go return a package and do a couple errands, maybe upload some shorts or like film a little bit of content at work. I'm gonna try my best to run you through everything I'm doing at work today, but if my clients don't want to be filmed, then I won't put them in, and if it's really busy, we'll see. We'll see how much of like actual hands-on stuff that I can film, but I will tell you everything I'm doing. Also, tell me why, if any other stylist is like this, do you ever have dreams where you just like completely ruin your client's hair? Because my first client today, I absolutely love her, and I literally woke up sweating this morning because I had a dream that I just like ruined her hair, and I woke up and was like, awesome. That's a really good start to the day. You know, I'm gonna go to work and be like, so in my dream this happened. Anyways, I just feel like that's awful, especially on the work day, and especially with the exact client that I'm about to have. I'm like, wait, it's better if it's like a funny one, you know? Like if you have like Taylor Swift in your chair or something, like that would be a good dream. Like, why is my dreams always like my actual clients and then I'm ruining their hair? But that was fun. Good little start to the day. Okay, I'll see you at work. Got a little hair package. My client's extensions for next week. And some thread. I forgot to turn the scale on.